So I picked up one of these neat little Tesla candles on AliExpress. By the way, Ali is great for getting stuff like this. And it's really neat because you've got your primary coil, which is like 1,000,000 degrees right now. I need to build a housing for this. And then you've got your secondary coil. But here's the weird part, is that this little coil here, that's kind of the inlet right there. And then that's the emitter right there. And it comes out like this. And I don't know what's happening here. It's like, theoretically, shouldn't that be inside of that coil like that? Or something similar, but instead it sits over here like that, and it generates a lot of current. That little node there is black. Now watch this. I'm going to turn this thing on. First I'm going to grab this neon. Whoops, sorry. Here, I'm going to grab this neon, and it's now energized. By the way, be careful, guys. There's a lot of power. It's very dangerous. Here is this fluorescent bulb. So, no strings attached. This is no sketchy tricks. This is literally the energy off of this light bulb. And I'm going to place this right here. And now I can actually grab this large tube like this. And if I bring it nearby, see if oh, there we go. So I've got this large one going now, as you can see. I can make it glow. I can make it glow brighter if I take the energy away from this. Now, something else to note as well is that there's a lot of current here. This isn't just a little bit of current on this guy here. This is a lot. And in fact, if I get the screwdriver and I ignite this, like so, that little flame there is hot as hell. Okay, so that little tiny flame right there. See, now here's the other cool thing. Now, see, I can't... Oh, that's interesting. So if I bring it in between the two... Now, by the way, this wire here is apparently as hot. Oh, fuck. That wire gets hot as well. So that's like 100 watts going through that little wire there. This is unbelievable. Like, the science behind this is mind-boggling. I'm not a physicist, but I will be learning how this thing works. But that little flame there is hot enough that that little piece of metal is getting red hot. This coil up here is already unbearably... You can't touch it. If you touch it, it's going to sear into your finger. This wire that's connecting... the main unit down to the actual coil is actually starting to melt. Let's see if I can squish this wire in. Yeah, like, that's really, 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 really hot. That's a lot of current. In fact, this thing is consuming 100 watts. I've got it plugged into 48 volts right now. So now the question is, how does it work? Can somebody tell me how this fascinating little thing works? The coil's over there. The outlet's connected to that little metal tip. The inlet goes back to this unit right here. And then there is a coil on top of it. Isn't that fascinating? How does it work? And neat, eh? I want to see Electro Boom get one of these and explain how it works. That'd be really damn cool.